Unlocking your free time. Understanding, have a morning off. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, have a morning off. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these everyday phrases can really boost your English fluency. So, let's get into it and find out what it means to have a morning off, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When someone says they have a morning off, they're essentially saying they are free from work or responsibilities during the morning hours. It's a specific time set aside where no professional duties are expected to be fulfilled. This phrase can apply to various situations, not just work. It could be a break from school, regular chores, or any routine obligations. The focus here is on the freedom and personal time one gets to enjoy temporarily. Let's dissect the phrase a bit more. Have, in this context, means to possess or enjoy something. Morning refers to the early part of the day, typically before noon. And off is a key part here, indicating a pause or stop from regular activities. Put together, have a morning off conveys having a period in the morning where you're not engaged in your usual tasks or duties. It's a slice of time dedicated to relaxation or personal activities. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I have a morning off tomorrow, so I plan to sleep in and maybe catch a late breakfast. Can we meet for coffee? I have a morning off and would love to spend some time catching up. Since I have a morning off next Friday, I'm thinking of starting the day with a yoga session. These sentences show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting smoothly into plans, invitations, or personal reflections about how one intends to spend their free time. Understanding, have a morning off, also offers insight into work-life balance and cultural attitudes towards leisure and personal time in English-speaking countries. It highlights the value placed on taking breaks and the flexibility often present in work and school schedules. This phrase can be empowering, reminding learners of the importance of self-care and personal space within the English-speaking world's daily grind. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, have a morning off. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this common English expression in your conversations. Remember, mastering these phrases will not only enhance your English skills but also help you connect more deeply with the culture and lifestyle of English-speaking communities. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to take some time off for yourself too. You deserve it.